Going over the Bitcoin chart as we go into the weekend, the market's just closed. The stock index has sold off more than I thought they would into the close. I thought there would be some bounce. Interesting weakness and potentially the effect of deleveraging assets related to cryptocurrencies. Not convinced that this bounce in the Bitcoin was actually a bounce and that this move down is over. When you compress this chart, you can see a double head and shoulders pattern. So you can drag this. This is Coinigy platform. The link for this is below in the description. So go down below in the description if you want access to the Coinigy platform. Kind of a double head and shoulders pattern. Now, I don't place a whole lot of weight in head and shoulders patterns all the time, but you can kind of see that here. You kind of have two on this side and one on this side. So I don't always place a lot of weight in head and shoulders patterns and make a long-term bet just on that solely. But you know, this sell off to the 31,000 area, not a very big bounce based on this move down, and so you could see some more rollover to test this 25,000 level in Bitcoin. Just technically speaking, from what I'm seeing in price action, and this could affect the stock market. And it's just one of the things I'm looking at, not recommending a trade, just like the analysis. I like to understand markets, intermarket analysis, and what affects these price movements. And also take a look. Also the question, the question recently, can you add a moving average in this platform? Here are the indicators. There's lots of tools over here. I don't always use these tools. There's the pitchfork and these kind of patterns, cycle patterns, XABCD patterns, Elliott waves, Gann cycles, sine lines. Can you add a moving average? You can add a moving average. You can go in here and type in moving average, channel, exponential, weighted, and so you can click on that, and you have a moving average right there. You see the moving average is the last 9 bars, and then you can click on this to format. And you could say 50-day moving average. We're looking at the 1-day chart. And so this purple line represents the 50-day moving average. Let's see, you could change the style of that. Let's make it yellow. Okay. You have it right here. It's kind of duplicated. I'm going to exit out, delete it, and I could delete the volume if I wanted. And the volume's gone. You just simply have candlesticks. If you don't want to look at candlesticks, you can just look at regular bars. You can look at line charts, or you can go back to candlesticks, hollow candles. This is the Coinigy platform once again. Analysis of Bitcoin is Bitcoin sold off pretty hard, and it didn't bounce that much. And so, does that mean we could be around for some steeper pullbacks? And if you're a hodler, hold on for dear life. If this doesn't affect you, if you're a short-term trader, you know, we could see some further selling.